everyone, and welcome to In Its Form by Churato. Today's video we're going to be creating an amazing look when it comes to creating a corporate look that you can take when it comes to sleeking with your edges. So how are you going to do that? I'm just going to teach you. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Let's enjoy this video. So guys, right now I'm just applying my edge cream. It helps to smooth and lay down the edges that I have on my hairline. So I'm just applying. You can just apply your desired amount when it comes to applying the edges. So I'm just applying. Flatten it out with your fingers. Just use your comb right here. So with your edges, you can also use your edge brush in order to create the desired professional corporate edges when it comes to taking it to your workspace. So I'm just gonna be using your trail comb over here. It helps to create the desired line when it comes to make it smooth, when it comes to showing the line. So as you can see, I'm just holding it from the tip of the trail comb over here, and I'm just gonna create a straight line going down, and I'm just gonna create another line over here. Amazing thing about creating this look is very convenient and very quick also. So I'm basically done over here. But if you want to just reinforce and create the line again, you can just run the comb over here. You can take your comb over here, just flatten it out. We're good to go. I hope you enjoy watching this video and do watch more videos. Until next time, stay blessed.